Here is another fence installation through myfence.com who is using the premium Fence Genius software to prefabricate custom fence and gate systems offsite for the highest quality finished product available for a competitive price. Starting this fast installation off, we begin by marking the posts through the Fence Genius iOS app for post cutoff and temporary hanger screws. The next phase of fence post preparation is to install the post caps and temporary screws for hanging the fence panels in place before fastening with 4-inch screws into their final position. In this case, we are installing a pre-stained cedar horizontal lattice fence with the Cabot's oil-based cedar stain. The post caps were also pre-stained as well for maximum life expectancy in the Pacific Northwest. As we begin this side fence run, notice in the bottom right corner how the panel number changes relative to the post-to-post location within the system, and the relative grade changes that are happening causing each panel to look slightly different. The Fence Genius software makes this possible, enabling myfence.com, who is a Seattle-based fence contractor, to install an arguably perfect fence system as the maximum material yield has been obtained from the pre-calculated and pre-approved system for the highest quality finish. You may also notice that the top of the system is following a very smooth visual flow through the contour of the ground, while the bottoms is more jagged, following the more direct ups and downs of the terrain. This is derived from the Fence Genius algorithms at work. In total, from arrival to departure, myfence.com had a crew of 2 who was there for just 2 hours. Moving the loud traditional on-site construction off-site and bringing a prefabricated, pre-stained fence system for a quiet installation to keep your neighborhood's peace. Enjoy the rest of this smooth fence installation. Finishing up this installation by screwing in the fence panels with 12 4-inch screws per panel, along with any micro adjustments that are needed for sections that need it.